Alright guys, back here again. Today we would be doing brakes, bearings, and also we're going to put that 2-inch of suspension lift on the front. So we got our parts in here. Brakes front and back. This is supposed to be a 2-inch lift for the shock, and then 2 hub bearings. While we have the tires off, we're going to clean them front and back, and we're going to tape them off. We're going to paint this inside ring black with black wheel chrome paint. We'll see how it does, but then we're going to leave this chrome and this all will be black. Give it a little different look instead of just plain old chrome. I think it'll look real nice. We'll see. Alright, well, today we were supposed to do a little lift in the hub bearings and brakes, but ordering parts online I should say, we got the wrong hub bearings and the wrong lift. So that's going to be sent back. We'll do that later. But today we're still going to mask these off and get them painted. So to clean these, we used aluminum bright. Get them pretty clean. There's still some stuff on the inside because we clean them inside and out, but they came pretty clean. We use this Neverdoll to shine them up. Now, like I said, we're going to be painting this inside part, so we'll come back and wipe it down with alcohol, get it taped off, wipe down alcohol. This will still be chrome, and then this will be the black chrome as it says on the can, but we'll get it taped off and get it done. Alright guys, got them all masked off, got them hit with the sandpaper a little bit just to scuff them, hit them with well, I ran out of alcohol because COVID-19, there's nowhere you could buy it, but I hit them with Windex wipes. We'll see if that works. Now, here's this duplicolor wheel coating. This is black, and then also have the clear for it. So we'll spray this first coat on, let it dry for an hour, come and check it, see if it needs another coat, which probably will. Wait another hour, then we'll spray the protectant on it, wait for that to dry, and then we can put them back on. So let's get it done. Alright, time for a second coat. First coat did pretty good. It looks, I'm gonna get in closer, to me just like spray paint. But this is supposed to be a special wheel coating, so we'll see how it goes. We'll wait for this to dry and we'll get the clear going. Alright, there's second coat. Now we'll put our clear coat on. Alright guys, here's side-by-side comparison. We're going to go ahead and pull off all this tape now that it's dry and see how it came out. Then we'll have to do the same thing on the rear. So let's check it out. Well, there's the difference, guys. Now I can tell you right now, the tape job is not perfect, but these old Facebook Marketplace wheels, it's a big upgrade. It's a huge difference. Just look at the difference. And just some time and some paint. There it is. And here they are on the truck. Man, what a difference. Look at it. Just cleaning it alone would do some good, but then that black, it just breaks it up. I think it's gonna make this truck look a whole lot better. So we ordered the parts. I ordered the parts for the lift because the front needs a little bit of lift. This is gonna be 2 to 3 inches. Right, it's gonna level it out. It's just leveling kit. It's like 50, 60 bucks on eBay, I think. And we reordered the front hubs. So when we do that, that's when we'll do the brakes, because no reason to do the brakes, so we got to take it all back apart anyway. So, all right, well, this light right here is not working. So, and it's pretty old and cracked up and stuff, as you can see. So instead of just taking out and replacing the bulbs, I got a whole new LED light here off of eBay. Looks to be okay quality. We're gonna go ahead and get that out of there today. All right, looks like it's 2 Phillips head screws. Screwdriver's probably a little long for this. Siliconed all around it, looks like. Yeah, you can see this is kind of got real hot and burned up here. It's all blistered up. I will need these screws out of here. This also came with a whole new harness. Of course, you can just plug it in and a new rubber thing. So we gotta get this one out of here. There it is. In there a little bit. Go inside, plug it in. Please don't fall. Look at these screws going. Alright, back to Project F150. Well, I went ahead and put the bearings in, and then wanted to test them. And also put the, or I had, because I didn't want to do it, had the torsion keys put in the shop with the alignment and all that. So then I wanted to go out and be dumb and see if I can't go in a little bit of mud. Yeah, after about getting all the way stuck, I think I had broke a CV axle. So that's what I did this morning. Came out here and replaced the driver front CV axle. I didn't find it all the way broke, but it was a whole lot of slack. So we're going to go ahead and knock all this mud off and get it cleaned up a little bit. As you can see, well, you probably can't right now, but I've got the front wheels painted. Haven't done the back wheels yet. I'll paint them when I do the brakes in the back. So let's get this washed. Well, I definitely didn't get the truck clean, but I got all the mud off of it. So now let's clean up my driveway.